Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale affiliate marketing with Liquid Web, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale your affiliate marketing with Liquid Web, begin by establishing a solid foundation. Research and identify your niche, focusing on areas where Liquid Web excels. Understand Liquid Web's offerings, including managed WordPress hosting, cloud solutions, and dedicated servers. Sign up for the Liquid Web affiliate program through their website. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and its resources. Create promotional content that highlights the unique features of Liquid Web services. Utilize various formats, such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts. Incorporate customer testimonials and case studies to build trust. Optimize your content for SEO to reach a wider audience. Utilize keyword research tools to find terms related to Liquid Web that your audience is searching for. Share your content across multiple platforms to increase visibility. Create special campaigns for seasonal promotions or discounts provided by Liquid Web. Monitor performance metrics through affiliate dashboard analytics. Adjust your strategies based on what content is performing well. Consider investing in paid advertising to target potential customers more effectively. Join affiliate marketing forums and communities to network with other marketers. Leverage social media advertising for targeted campaigns. Utilize retargeting ads to reach visitors who showed interest but did not convert. A/B test your promotional strategies to find the most effective approaches. Continuously educate yourself on the latest trends in affiliate marketing. Scale your efforts by outsourcing tasks such as content creation or social media management. Evaluate and refine your tactics regularly to maintain growth. Stay in touch with Liquid Web for updates on their services and affiliate promotions. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback to understand their needs better. This consistent effort will help you effectively scale your affiliate marketing with Liquid Web. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.